Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tim, and this week on the island I am making a Cobb salad with honey baked ham and honey baked roasted turkey. For the buttermilk ranch dressing, you will need mayonnaise, whole milk Greek yogurt or sour cream if you like, buttermilk, salt, pepper, onion powder, mustard powder, dried oregano, fresh flat leaf Italian parsley, fresh dill, and fresh chives, 1 garlic clove, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. And for the Cobb salad, you will need a big bowl of greens, some avocado, some cucumber, grape or cherry tomatoes, and red onion, crumbled blue cheese, and a few hard-boiled eggs, and of course, the honey-baked ham and honey-baked roast turkey.
All right guys, so this week I'm gonna show you how to make a big salad, specifically a Cobb salad. So Cobb salads traditionally come with bacon and roast chicken. We're gonna mix it up a little bit and we're gonna do honey baked ham and honey baked roast turkey. They pair perfectly with this salad. We're also going to do a homemade buttermilk ranch, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. It'll be a nice little recipe for you to keep in your back pocket. So let's start with the dressing, shall we?
Okay guys, let's start by making our dressing. So buttermilk ranch dressing is very simple to make, but it does have a lot of ingredients, so don't be intimidated. I'm gonna go through them right now with you. Let's start with our buttermilk, no surprise there. And then we have some full fat Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream if you prefer. We've got our mayonnaise, and then we've got our herbs and spices. So dried oregano, mustard powder, we have dry onion powder, some fresh ground pepper, some salt, minced garlic, and then buttermilk ranch dressing always comes with fresh chives or fresh green onions, so we have some of those. And then I also like to throw some dill in there, fresh if I can find it, and also some fresh flat leaf parsley. Finally, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Throw that all into a bowl, whisk it together, throw it into a Tupperware container or a jar, and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. That 30 minutes will give the dressing time to come together, and while you're doing that, we'll build the rest of the salad. All right guys, so it's time to make our salad. We're gonna begin by tossing our lettuce greens in our salad dressing. So I like to do this a little bit differently. I grab a large bowl and then I drizzle the salad dressing along the inside of the bowl, take my lettuce and I put it on top of the salad dressing, and then with a pair of gloved hands or a spoon and a fork, I lightly toss everything together. This keeps the greens from getting weighed down by the dressing when you pour it on top of that. So let's start with that. All right guys, let's finish building our salad. So you've got your dressed greens. Next up, lay those dressed greens out on a big plate, and then anyone who's had a Cobb salad knows they're very distinctive looking. So when chefs build Cobb salads, they like to take every ingredient and they line them up on the plate in their own individual rows, and it's very, very pretty and distinctive and delicious looking, but it's kind of tough to eat. So my recommendation to you would be, if you're entertaining and you want an impressive presentation, build it just like that. People love that. But if you are hungry and you just want to eat a delicious salad, take all your ingredients, throw them in a bowl, and then toss everything together and enjoy it that way. So we're going to do both for you.
Guys, while this is undeniably a gorgeous salad, it's kind of tough to eat like this. So what I like to do after everyone's appropriately oohed and awed over it is I take the whole thing and I dump it back into my mixing bowl, and then with a pair of gloved hands or some tongs, I mix it all together and then I plate it that way. And there you have it.
Guys, that is it. That is how you make a Cobb salad with honey baked ham and honey baked roasted turkey. It's a high protein, low carb meal that'll keep you light on your feet, but it'll still fill you up. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you real soon.